At a time when the 4th National Family Health Survey revealed that over 50% of India's women, adolescents and children are anemic and undernourished, Rise Against Hunger India embarked on a mission to transform lives and contribute towards a healthier India.
"25 years ago, Ray, who is the global founder, he actually had a vision to end hunger by 2030.
Rise Against Hunger India's journey began 15 years ago, when global corporate partners invited Stop Hunger Now to organize volunteer engagement for meal packaging activities in India.
About 15 years ago, Rise Against Hunger decided to expand globally. And we felt that we could not expand globally to fight hunger and malnutrition without having a presence in India. So we decided to start a location in India to have local leaders provide local solutions to local challenges.
Slowly, this gathered momentum, which led to establishing a locally led entity to drive hunger action initiatives in the country. In October 2014, Stop Hunger Now India was officially registered, aiming to develop local leadership to design, create and lead the hunger and malnutrition-free movement in India. What started in Bengaluru, Karnataka with a modest office and a small warehouse quickly grew into a juggernaut of change. In its early days, Rise Against Hunger India organized meal packaging events, galvanizing thousands of volunteers to package fortified meals consisting of rice, dal, dehydrated veggies, and vitamin sachets for the communities in need. These events conveyed a powerful message. Each meal has the potential to transform a life. In 2017, the organization rebranded from Stop Hunger Now India to Rise Against Hunger India, reflecting its broader vision. Over the past decade, it has provided over 32 million nutritious meals to many across the nation. The mission encompasses much more than just meal provision. Rise Against Hunger India is dedicated to empowering communities and developing sustainable solutions for their secure future. While addressing immediate nutritional needs, the organization mobilizes communities to come together and work collectively towards finding lasting solutions to their food security challenges. By working at the grassroots level, it equips communities with the skills, resources, and capabilities to achieve food security, improve health and nutrition, and achieve long-term self-sufficiency. The organization is dedicated to fostering holistic and sustainable change through initiatives such as community kitchens run by pregnant and lactating mothers, household nutri-gardens, seed banks, millet preservation projects, goat rearing initiatives, drought-proofing strategies, soil conservation efforts, and health and sanitation drives. In times of crisis, Rise Against Hunger India has stood at the forefront of relief efforts, responding to natural disasters such as earthquakes, floods, cyclones, landslides, and also during the unprecedented challenges like the COVID-19 pandemic. The organization has provided vital resources including fortified meals, water, medical supplies, and family kits, ensuring communities recover swiftly and effectively. From its humble beginnings in 2014, Rise Against Hunger India has expanded its reach to 23 states and union territories through multiple projects at different times. The number of corporate partnerships has surged from just 2 to over 80, while collaboration with around 300 local NGOs has further enhanced the organization's capacity to serve vulnerable communities. From single office in Bengaluru, it has grown to 19 offices spread across India, with a dedicated team of close to 100 staff members. More than 70,000 volunteers have joined the movement and have actively contributed to meet the food and nutrition needs of over 3 million people. The organization's initiatives now span over 4 key program pathways: nourishing lives, empowering communities, responding to emergencies, and growing the movement. Some of its notable programs and projects include mobile medical vans, drought relief work in Odisha, traditional forest food restoration with Ahimsa Club, the 1000 Days Nutrition Program, school and household nutri-gardens, sanitation drives in villages, seed banks, meals for development, livestock restoration, and commercial vegetable production. The program has made a significant impact over the last decade, benefiting more than 15,000 mothers and 50,000 children through various initiatives. Additionally, more than 1,200 pregnant and lactating mothers have benefited through 52 community kitchens. It has recently started a health, nutrition, and life skill program for adolescent girls, as it is the second window of opportunity to create a healthy society. Importantly, Rise Against Hunger India is reaching 12 aspirational districts where working conditions are extremely challenging. In the last financial year alone, the organization has positively impacted more than 1.8 lakh individuals.
गर्भवती महिला की बात कमी आता अदेन नुक बताकटो खून आरु कैल्शियम बात कमी मत कसने इवनु का तो तित कसने इवटे बड़े माता ने तुर बात वंडे.
Rise Against Hunger India has been recognized with numerous honors, including the prestigious Mahatma Award in 2022 and 2024, among several other CSR accolades. These recognitions serve to reinforce the organization's commitment to innovation and expansion in its efforts. As we celebrate a decade of dedicated service, it is important to acknowledge that while India has made significant strides towards alleviating poverty, accessing quality nutrition still remains a formidable challenge for many.
Moving forward, we know that as the country is progressing, India is actually doing well. So the main vision or main dream for all Indians should be that we eat well, we get nutrition from our food, and nobody from any group falls behind.
As Rise Against Hunger India enters its 10th year, it remains steadfast in its commitment to expanding its outreach to create hunger-free communities, building nutritionally informed, active volunteers and champions, supported by its diverse array of stakeholders.